Nyala. Get him down. Come on, kneel down there. Kneel down there. Thief. Nenempolanya Guyuri. Animal, vagabond, silly bugger. He was no fear. Get lekage. Get lekasig idiot. I'll kill you. And feed your carcass to the vulture. I'll kill you. I'll quit for you. Messiage. Come on. Hey, see you in the boot. Yeah, sit inside that boot. Stand up. Hey, get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Hey, sit down there. Hey. Yeah.
He ran into the bush.
Meaning what?
But the other boys are on him.
See, we must have to get him alive. We must have to get him down.
Yes. Yes.
We'll get him down. I want him down.
That is why I'm here. In case he...
Oh, God.
If he wants to escape. That's why I'm here.
This boy. Hi. Hey! Hey! Get him! Get him!
I couldn't see him.
Have you guys seen him?
I swear to God, this guy is so lucky.
Have you guys seen him?
No.
I didn't do anything. Why are you talking about that? Get him down. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Elders, you should clear. What did he do? Clear. What? Boy. What did you do? Hey! Get him. Call your boy. Get him. He's an animal. Get him. Get him down. Yes. Get him down. Beautiful. This is wonderful. Yeah. Take him up. Get him up. Get me a cane. Oh yeah. Carry him. Please.
What is it?
I just had a terrible dream. It was so real.
It could be as a result of hunger. You know you fell asleep on an empty stomach. Here. Food is ready. Eat. Go down to the eat. Let me get you water. Oh?
Oh yeah.
yo. Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, yo. Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. I no waiting Dixon they be. Fake life now waiting Dixon they live. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container Natal, I'm off load. Billion, now why for
Your son is back. Mwaga batago. Dikeh mwaga batago, mama.
Dixon. You bought another car?
This is another adage to my garage.
Hey! Chukwu become one.
Mama,
You quite helpful.
the Lord is good.
Hey! God of miracle, you are worthy of my praise.
Yes, you can say that.
So you have lifted a poor boy up to this extent. If you could take it as another.
No. And better because.
This is machine, Mama.
Eh?
My brother is rich.
Mama. I am going to make you happy.
Hey!
Celebrate with me, Mama.
Dixon.
I'm telling you, Mom. Amadia.
Mama,
Eh?
I'm fit to
Can tell you, Mama. Amadia. Now, watch your hair make it back.
Chukwu, Mama, go and call your father. Bang. Go and call your father. Boss. Yeah, one again.
Mama, mate, you Mom now.
Hey!
Mate, you Mom now. This is the beginning. This is the beginning.
God of miracle, you are my
Let me check.
father.
Huh?
Help!
God, everybody. Such as if you're Mama. You know why you are. You want you. Take it easy. Take it easy. I'm taking everybody. Okay?
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, yo. Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, yo. Dixon no get money, but better thing they hungry. Dixon no get motor, but motor they hungry. I no waiting Dixon they be. Fake life now waiting Dixon they live. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Oh yeah, send to me your account number, make I wire you. My container Natal, I'm off load. Billion, now why for that no? What does he go?
Brother, you even covered the food.
Welcome, Papa.
Papa, welcome.
Aha, Ndode. Ndode, you look troubled. What is the problem?
I'm fine.
Chinelo,
Papa,
what is the problem with your brother? Did you discuss with him?
no. It's just a bad dream he had.
Bad dream? What was the dream about?
I don't know. He did not discuss it with me.
Is this his food? Okay, go and bring my bowl.
Papa, eat that one.
By the way, where is your mother?
She has gone to uproot cassava.
Uproot cassava.
Papa, I'm inside.
What is the time now? Is she uprooting the cassava from the whole farm of the whole village? But what is wrong with this woman? Get out of my way. Hey!
Are you going out so soon?
Mama, not really. I want to go out and I'm coming back immediately. I want to go and see the princess.
Why not come and eat your food? Before you go and come back, it will get cold.
Mama, when I come back, I will eat. I want to go and see Princess Chibogo. She's waiting for me, please. Huh? I won't be long. Coming back immediately.
It's okay. Gasi kwike. Really good, joy.
Life now waiting, Dixon deliver. I bought this new car to add them into my garage. Only I sent to me your account number, make I wire you. My container not out, I'm off load. Billion, now why for that no? Now what does he go?
Ita! You need tutorials on mannerism. You know that, right?
I shouted you again. My bad.
For crying out loud, this is a palace.
I know. So, is he here?
Who?
Dixon, of course. He said he's coming this weekend. Is he here?
Oh, well, I have not spoken to him since then.
You didn't call to check up on him. That's a noble thing to do. Call and check up on him. Know whether he's still coming or not. Call him.
Alright, I'll do that later.
Not later. You're calling him now, please. Take. Call him. Call him now.
Really?
Dikeh. Okay,
Alpha.
Ty!
How you doing?
I'm fine, my brother. What can we do? When did you come back?
Not quite long ago.
Hi. You see, if I remember how we used to survive in this village, I used to go to look for stones, firewood. It's a perfect. In fact, you're a perfect example that God is wonderful.
Exactly, you're right.
Look at your life.
But you know what? It's okay. Everything will be fine. Okay, just relax. Okay.
But everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Every year to year, I'm saying that. Just look at now.
Anyway, Ndudi, I'm rushing off to the palace to see the princess. Okay, I'll see you when I return.
Okay, I should come to the house.
Yes. Piano na kan wunya logo na.
Dikeh. Now one I tap from your grace. I tap from your grace. No. This evening, if I just close from work, I'll come.
It's okay.
Ha! Dikeh. What can I baby go? Daddy yo. I'll come. Time. Life.
How can you be listening to people talking anyhow in the village? See, let me tell you, these people in this village, they are jobless. They can tell you anything they like. Don't listen to them. You are too big for it. Listen, let me tell you, I have the royal blood in me. Yes, I have the royal blood running in my veins. My father is the younger brother to the king, so I can tell you what is happening in the palace. So I'm the next prince. So you have to calm down. Don't listen to them.
So you mean there's a chance that you're going to be the next prince of this village?
It's not a chance. The prince is chance itself.
Hey!
99.9%. Is it not already 100%? I'm going to be the prince. I say Lugia. And you are there listening to people. Let me tell you, these village people that you are listening to, all these girls, they are loving me. They are loving me. Anytime they see me, they will bow to me. My prince, good morning. My prince, good morning. Sometimes some of them will come close. Hey, my prince, I love you. I say, no. Nobody should love me. No. Nobody should love me. it's only Ada that I love. And the only Ada that should love me. You can imagine now, if the king die and my father will become the king, what am I? Prince.
The prince.
From prince, my father will die and I'll become the king. Then what will you be? Queen.
The queen.
So you have to be thinking that anytime you're walking on the road, queen should be singing in your head. Queen, yes. Queen. If you're walking, keep your shoulders high. Walk like a queen. Can't you see yourself? Can't you see how beautiful you are? People look at you, when they see you like this, they'll be seeing crown on your head. They'll be like, hey, this girl is too beautiful, oh, she's going to be queen, oh. No, let's find a way and distract her from Emerie. That's what they are doing, you know. Yes. You don't know? Yes. They are deceiving you. So listen, this thing me and you we are doing now, it will end up me becoming the king, you becoming the queen. So you don't have to listen to them.
I won't. I'm so sorry. I would never listen to any gossip again in this village.
Don't even try it. Gossip is very bad.
Very bad. My prince. See how that name suits you.
Prince Emerie.
My prince.
From there, King Emerie. Eh? And you, Queen Ada.
Queen Ada.
Hey!
Yes.
Can't you see? So why not you just come to daddy? Come to daddy. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come to daddy. Yeah.
Daddy. Amy.
This is called royal kissing. Yeah? See, when we
Yes! You know what? He's looking stunning as usual.
Wait. I don't understand what this excitement is all about.
Okay,
relax.
Can we go see him now? You know it's wrong keeping a gentleman waiting.
After I'm done with the bathroom.
Sweetheart, let's go see him. You don't have to keep him waiting. He came here because of you. Let's go see him. Come, let's go see him.
There you go. Is it that small cassava that you have been uprooting since morning you left this house? Huh? Ego, answer me your name, Kewu.
Answer you what? What do you want me to answer?
Ego, I know what to do. Huh? I know what to do. You left this house since morning, only to come back with that little bag of cassava. Ego, ihe gbariya.
Nah, you said I came back with little bag of cassava. Which one did you come back with to start with? See, I will not tolerate any form of accusation from you in this house. Mind yourself.
Ego, don't worry, I know what to do. I will now start following you about anywhere you go because I don't trust you any longer. I don't trust you.
Am I even supposed to be cultivating cassava when I have a husband? Other men are busy cultivating cassava and other things for their wives. But in your own case, you just sit around this compound doing nothing. Job you don't have. Do work you cannot. You allow me to do everything. See, Nai, don't give me trouble, oh. Don't give me trouble in this house, oh. The only thing you want to do now is to start following me around like a he-goat. I will not accept that.
Ego, let me tell you. Go catch you. If I see you with any man in this village in a compromising position or place, I will just go in here, pack everything. You don't have anything now. Abada, put it in one small bag, wakiri bag. Fiam! I will send you to your father's house.
Do you think you can threaten me with that? Go and bring out my wakiri, my Ghana must go, or polythene bag, whatever you call it. Bring it out for me. You see that I will start from here now and go to my parents' house. I don't even want to stay in this house with you. The only thing you know is to be following me. You said you will be following me like a he-goat around. And I'm checking. I'm waiting for you for that. You want to pack my bags? I'm waiting for you. Just do that. You see what I'm going to do.
I will not wait to that time. I will not let you do to me what Naomi did to Dikeh by sending him to his early grave. Okay, Mufo. I will just keep my eyes open. Once I see you in that kind of corner movement, hey, I will just go in there, pack your clothes, put it in one Ghana must go bag and transport you to your father's house. Let them go and train you properly how to live in a man's house. Nonsense.
I thought you would come.
My princess, you know I wouldn't miss this for anything in the world.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I mean, thank you for making out time from your busy schedule to be here. It means a lot.
Your consecration is more important to me. Okay? So how is the preparation going?
Well, so far so good. My father is really bent on doing this for me.
You deserve it and ever more.
You know, sometimes I feel my father is going extra for me. This is huge. I consider it a big sacrifice.
My princess, you deserve everything good.
My princess, food is served. Okay, thank you. Please, let's go in. I asked them to make your favorite. Let's go.
Dozier. Dozier.
Welcome.
Between millipede and snail, which one reincarnated you?
Papa, it's you now.
You are very stupid. You are very stupid! Look at the things I asked you to do since morning. You are here dragging.
No, Papa, you know, I was busy looking at...
Just shut up! Idiot! I don't know the kind of human being that you are.
Papa, sorry.
Always dragging slow in everything you do. The only thing that you do very fast is eating. Idiot!
They say slow and steady win the race. That's why I'm...
Shut up. Where is your elder brother?
Papa, he's not yet back. Oh. You know, Emily, how you walk around in this village. You didn't used to stay one place. Papa, is there any problem? This one you are...
That boy, Emily. He will never stay at home.
You know already. Can
you imagine my brother the king? He has gone ahead. I mean, he's deciding to consecrate the daughter. That wicked man. Why is it that he's so selfish? All he thinks about is himself and his family. How can he decide to go and consecrate that girl?
Papa, I hate to say this, but I'm not surprised at all. You know power is sweet. Ochichi, Otoka. If go change, you will never allow power to cease from his own family. Since we and I already know that, let's channel all our concentration and our energy to Onio's business. Let's be popular in this. Kamara with Onios. Even Mama Nkechi, she came to buy onions on credit, but I told her to wait for you to come. She even requested for big ones. So I'm selecting these ones for while I'm waiting for you. Okay, I'm going to see Bugatti. I'll go 2 bags. You know, she buy in quantum, big size. So, even help me select some.
You are a fool.
Yes, Papa. No.
What did I call you?
Say you are a fool, Papa.
You are a fool. And thank God you know that you are a fool. Idiot. We are talking of the throne. You are talking of onions.
Eh?
Your mates are there expiring big and you are here. Your aspiration is to sell onions on credit. Big. And no fear. Hey, Uchendu. Why are you this wicked? Why are you this mean? Hey!
Baba, you just have to calm down, understand? You already know him. Just calm down. It's your brother.
You are a compound fool. My mother used to tell me that instead of her to give birth to a fool, she should give birth to a thief. You are an idiot. Compound idiot.
Thank you, Papa. God bless you.
Shut up, you talker. I'm on fear.
Papa, should I get your food?
Okay.
Papa, what of Mama Kechi and the big onions?
How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle. Are you going home?
Well, yes, I am going home.
Okay, enter, let me drop you.
Are you going towards my direction?
Yes, Dixon, your son, told me to come.
Dixon?
Yes.
Mom.
Yes.
Is he back?
Yes, Uncle.
Hey! Oh, Dixon is somehow. No, he called you.
You can't be serious. You cannot be serious. What do you mean? Papa is not sure what he's saying. Papa cannot be sure. Do you know how much that thing will cost? For princess to become the now overseer, the general of this community, to become the queen, if he would die. When my father is here.
Brother, what are you saying? Are you trying to tell me that Papa do not know what he's saying? Eh? Igwe is planning to is going on with the plan of consecration. Yes, consecration. He's going on with the plans of consecrating the princess. Eh? So I'm just saying this is pure greed. You know I've been saying this, but nobody believed me.
Never. Igwe cannot try it. Igwe, you will not try this thing. My father will be the king. See, let me tell you, if Igwe try to make my father lose this throne and make me to lose Ada, not possible. Because this community will not contain me and Igwe. This community will not contain me and Igwe. Never!
Brother, we are talking about the family losing a lifetime opportunity. And you are here focusing on channeling all your attention to Ada. Who is Ada? Let this Ada walk. Let her go to hell. Important.
Which Ada?
That is important.
Which Ada are you talking about? To go to hell. Which Ada? Is it Ada Wanosta? Or Ada from Umok? Because you cannot be talking about my own Ada. Before.
Eh? Don't blind me. Don't blind me.
Before.
They will not try it now.
So you will not try to talk nonsense. Are you okay?
Brother, listen, calm down. Your own ways of thinking baffles me sometimes. We are talking about the family losing a lifetime opportunity, and you are here. Nah, you should say something better now. Say something better.
If it baffles you, go and bath. Do you understand? If it baffles you, go and bath. I don't blame you. You are Aboki. Aboki, you don't know anything. See, let me tell you, losing Ada is my own lifetime opportunity. Do you know how many years I've been following that girl? She was finding it hard to accept me. Now she was trying to accept, be patient, that I'm going to become a prince very soon when Baba becomes a king. Now Igwe wants to do this thing so that I will finally lose. Never. It will not happen. Never.
Brother, let me tell you. The Havoc people we are doing business with. It's business we are doing. It's not. It's not this kind of thing you are talking. It's business.
It's not business. Love is business too. So we people should leave it for me. Throne is Papa's business. Let him focus. onions and Hausa people are your own. That's why Papa is sending you to Ugo Hausa to go and climb trailer to bring onions for him. Do you understand? Now let me ask you, if you think you don't have sense, between a child and a kid, who is the baby among the children?
Brother, you should be the kid because he's the smallest.
That is why you always jump in trailer to follow Hausa people. That's why Papa sent you there. So focus on your business with Hausa people. Shile!
Brother, it's still onions business.
Kashi now, get out. That is what it means.
You cannot even speak the Hausa.
Kashi now, get away.
Kaishuru.
Me, Kaishuru.
You see, you don't
There's
even
no
know
cashew
what I'm
here.
saying.
There is no cashew here. Me, Kaishuru.
Let's go and
Me, Kaishuru.
fix this onions.
You, Kamango. You, Kamango. Take time.
You cannot speak
Go
Hausa
and pack
very well.
onions. When we're on us to Boganya.
Mama, get me some basil.
Shile!
Oh, I'll be right back.
Okay.
You keep ignoring my calls and messages. Why?
Rita. Wow.
Well, looking handsome as usual.
Thank you so much. Rita, you're not looking bad at all.
Of course. And I'm glad you noticed.
Wow.
So, how are you?
As you can see, everything is fine. Good.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
You look good. Rita.
What can I do? I always look good.
Yeah.
I hope Rita is not bothering you.
Is he complaining? You
Not-
know, she
not
can
at
be a
all.
pest.
Not at all. Not at all.
Are you sure?
We're good. We're good.
Okay, let me see you off to the car.
Okay. Okay. See you.
See you.
Ndede, are you sure you don't want to fake anything?
No, I'm fine, Uncle.
Okay.
I know. I ate before coming.
Brother, welcome. Where did you say Dixon went to this afternoon?
Oh, he went to the palace to see the princess.
Oh, to the palace.
Yeah. Brother, please, just exercise more patience. I believe you will soon.
No, that's no problem. I'm mobile. I can go anytime. Oh, bye, guy. No.
Oh, princess.
It's not taking of anything.
Hey, you find American?
Uncle, you see, I love how you follow your family. And I love the fact that you made provisions for all of them.
I don't know, man.
Not unlike, what's the name of this man? Mazibe.
Mazibe.
I heard the man sold his only land remaining. That one at the express to Mazi or Fokans.
Ndede, Mazibe is a basket of disappointments.
Like?
The most annoying part of it is that this man sold everything he has in a strategic area. In the land.
Everything. I pity his children.
And another annoying part of it is that this recent one he sold was just for a piece of cake. Imagine that.
That land at the express.
I said a piece of cake. As if he had never seen money before. He was just fidgeting, and they gave him a tip of the iceberg.
And nothing to show for it.
Nothing.
All those money that he nothing.
I will tell you where he goes. That is where the most of problem lies in some of our, age bracket. If you see them, on your book AIDS. Let me tell you the truth. So don't follow that part. And even about when you make your money, come home and keep it. Make safe.
Exactly.
Always keep 1/4 of what you earn for yourself in case of tomorrow. That is how I live my life, and I'm profiting from it.
I wish my father's property.
Your father is trying. Oh, at least your father is trying. Ah, Emelike.
We all did it. Exactly. Just like we are strong. My father did not keep anyone.
But Emelike tried. He tried.
Going to the farm again today?
What do you expect from me? Eh? You want me to sit in this house so that hunger will kill me? Chukwu, it will not work for you. God forbid.
Ego, what do you keep in that farm? You are the only woman I've seen that take pleasure in going to the farm almost every day. Don't worry. Continue. One day, the whole world will know what is pulling you to that farm. What is actually calling you to that farm? Eh?
Emenike.
Eh?
I, Ego, is not like you. I am not like you. Other men go to the farm with their wives in order to help them work. But in your own case, the reverse is the case. You like to sit here so that others will go out and work and bring food for you to eat. And you have the opportunity to go and meet Ife Buche in order to sleep with her. Shame on you.
Ego, you see this saliva? Let it not dry before you return from the farm. X! Don't worry. I will come to that farm myself.
Lazy man, sit in the house. I am ready to go and work and bring food for you to eat into that your dirty mouth. And off ya.
Chinelo, go and warm the soup and bring me food to eat. I'm very hungry. Go. Go and pound one now. Eh? Don't we have raw cassava here? Go and pound one. And make sure there is no abreko, seeds in it. Do it smoothly. And bring. Because
Papa, I don't have strength to pound out.
Go and pound it. When will you have strength? With all your size, you don't have strength.
Dick.
Mama Dick.
How was your night? I hope you slept well.
Mama, I slept very well.
Your phone was ringing all through the night. I hope there's no problem.
Oh,
is that how it rings?
That's my business partners.
Oh, where?
Yes, that's how they used to call me.
Yeah.
Yes, from the east, from the west, from the north, from the south, from South Africa, America, all over the world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi. Who job you come? She won't take your name. Can we
It's ringing again. Excuse me, let me answer this call.
Oh yeah. Dixon and Dixon Enterprises.
Keep your greetings, Dixon. Where is my car? I'm in your workshop, and my car is nowhere to be found. Yes. Where is my ash-color Ford? Now listen to me, and listen good. I want you to return my car in the next 48 minutes. I mean 48 minutes. Is that clear? And if I don't see my car in my compound in 48 minutes, you'll be sorry. Stupid idiot. Get off my phone. And you, talk to your friend.
My friend, okay, I'll talk to my friend.
If he does not return my car in 48 minutes.
48 minutes.
Is that clear? 48 minutes, I will close down this workshop.
The workshop is my own.
And I will send all of you to jail.
Hey!
Is that clear?
Jail!
Nonsense.
Hey!
Hey, this is not kidding. It's not kidding.
Hey, is it a cab to help somebody? Is it a cab to help you? Look at the kind of trouble you are causing me. The other day, today again, Chief. This my wahala is too much. I beg you, this is please. My wife died. If I go to jail, somebody will I will not go to jail. I will not go to jail. I want to go to the fire.
My container not I'm off alone. Billion na wife for that no.
Wow.
Nna.
Mama.
I hope there's no problem in your workshop.
Mama, there is no problem, but I don't know why they cannot handle small and simple issues. Why am I away? I've worked so much for this company. I've worked with all my life. I've put in everything in me in that company. So I don't know why they are just stressing me. Yeah? Just stressing my life.
Dick, stop complaining. It's because you are good at what you do. That is why they are missing your absence. You have to be thankful to God.
Mama, I am. I am thankful to God, but Mama, I need my personal life. Yeah, I need to rest too.
That is my son, the CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises. What should we do?
Alpha, did you see Mazuzoka?
Mazuzoka is always on fire. So it will demand my presence to quench the fire.
Welcome.
The CEO, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises.
Papa Dixon.
When I saw this car in the morning,
yes,
or rather the truck, a big truck, my heart was gladdened. I know that you will always make me proud.
Papa,
Dixon.
Papa, you see, you and Mama shouldn't worry yourself. I want you to relax. Yeah? This is just the beginning. I want you to sleep well with your two eyes closed.
Hey, Mechigo, man.
Yeah?
Hey, Mechigo.
Metuni yaka.
Hey!
Very soon. Metuni mom.
Ajofia no.
Ajofia. Because I want you to buy car for me. I want to drive car in this village.
This is a small thing.
Is very soon this compound will be decorated with different brands of trucks, jeeps, and assorted automobiles. Moto is just singular and plural. Just say motos.
You're right. I feel like converting this place to a river and buy this flying boat.
Hey!
So both of you be using it around this place.
Boat?
Even
if I don't have land, my brother Emenike will go to war. We will extend. Emenike's own is bigger than my own. But then
Dick is go to 1 million. Ubo.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, Daddy. And you? How are you today?
Very well, thank you. I'm as strong as ever, you can see.
I can see that. But you got me worried yesterday, Father. You came back very late.
So sorry about it. The task wasn't an easy one.
Dad, is this really worth it? Putting everything in line, is it worth it?
You really deserve it. When I'm old and frail, you'll be saddled with the responsibility of ruling over this kingdom. No, I won't let this kingship leave this family. Not while I'm alive. I'll do everything to protect it. No one can take it away from us.
I won't disappoint you. It's a promise, Father.
And may the gods of our ancestors protect you, guide you, give you the wisdom to rule over this kingdom, and also to make right choices. Also, make a choice of a man who will be beside you.
Oh, Daddy!
Oh, yes.
Daddy, please.
You start now to think about it.
Dad, stop.
No. This is the time.
Okay. I heard you. So have you had something to eat today?
Oh, well, my usual fruits and vegetables. I'm okay.
But you need to be eating,
I'm done. No. I hope it's clean.
You're asking me if it's clean. If you see, go and sit now.
I trust you because I was about taking the car to the car wash.
Abba, how can you take car to the car wash when I'm here? What's my work then?
It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for your stress.
I can say,
it's okay.
I can say. But you see, this is...
So can you see something before?
Hi, this place is beautiful. See, I don't know if your parents told you that I came. Just like you instructed that I come to see you. I came. Did they tell you?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I stayed out late.
Oh.
Yeah.
I understand.
Is your mother not back from the farm?
Papa, back from the farm by this time? This is just 11 a.m.
What will she be doing in the farm up till this time? What?
Papa, what else will my mother be doing in the farm except farming?
Chinelo, I need to go to the farm, to that farm, and know what she's actually doing in that farm.
Papa, there is nothing else my mother will be doing there except farming. She's farming.
Farming? That is what they always say about Naomi. She is farming, a faithful woman, until my friend Dikeh died because of her unfaithfulness, infidelity for that matter. I will not die. I will not let her kill me. Every woman is a potential suspect. Bombo Gahawo.
Papa,
Bombo.
if you are going to the farm, you are not dressed like someone going to the farm. Don't go there and distract Mama.
Am I going to see her? What she's doing there?
Don't go and see her. If you get there, please help her and farm. Biko. Oh, Papa will not let Mama be. What is she doing?
The thing is, you're not a stranger in my life, and I believe you know how it is for me. It's not easy. You see this bike I'm riding, it's hire purchase, and sometimes it's even hard for me to pay for the weekly return. So sometimes the bike will even spoil. I'll start looking for money to even fix it. It's not how I'm going to continue.
You see, you don't need to talk much, okay? You don't have any problem, okay? I am going to get you something new work. But you see, I came back for the princess's consecration. So I'll be going there. When I come back, we'll sit down and talk very well.
It's not what I need is to change business. Just to start up something in this village. Okay. Even if it's provision or building mats. Just let me change line up. Let me just...
Good, I'll get you something to do, okay? Meanwhile, how are your parents?
Everyone is fine. They're fine.
Tell them I'll come see them by maybe later today.
Okay, I will tell them.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let me rush out. Hustle. Let me rush to work, eh?
Yeah, okay. Thank you for the car.
It's okay. No one.
Hey! Let me bring cola.
Who's this?
Eh?
What are you doing?
Cola. You will not understand love in the air. Love is in the air. True love, it is. You cannot see it anywhere, not even in the market. Oh yeah, this is my gift for you.
Please, I'm not interested in your stupid gifts. You lied to me, Emilie.
You're not interested in onions?
You looked into my face and you lied to me.
I lied to you? Okay. Forgive me. You know I told you my father bought 5 bags of onions. He did only 2. He has sold 3. Sorry. I cannot lie to you. How can I lie to you? Where will I lie to you? At what occasion? At what occasion can I lie to you, my Ada?
Please stop calling me your Ada. I'm not your Ada. You lied to me. You told me that your father is going to be the next crowned king and you the prince.
Oh, that one. I did not lie to you. He's still in the process. See, my father is going to be the king. And I'm going to be the prince. See, go inside my room now. You see my prince cap. I bought it. It's there.
Please stop. Stop lying. Huh? I hate you, Emilie. I hate you.
But I love you, Ada. I love you. Huh? Can't you say that I love you?
Emilie, God punish you. No,
for loving you. Are you going like that? Ada, my Ada? Are you... You're not taking your onions? No. For Ada to leave these onions behind shows that the anger is serious. Igwe, get ready to leave that throne. Get ready to leave that throne now. For my Ada to be angry with me, Igwe, I'm going to be angry with you. Never! There will be war. For my Ada to leave me, I will not take it. Igwe, we must come down. Because this cap I bought will not be in vain. Ada, my Ada has left me and she has left onions. Onions that everybody loves onions. Who doesn't like onions? Never! Ada!
Dixon. Papa. I want you to begin to consider building a house of your own in this village.
I have all that in plan for next year.
Dixon, this is exactly what you said last year. If I am not mistaken, I know you own up to 10 cars in the city.
More than 10.
Oh,
more than 10.
I said it. So you can't keep coming to the village with different brands of automobiles. Ibute jipunka, ibute truckunka, and people will begin to look at you as somebody who doesn't have another plan. So I want you to consider, making a plan for a building of your own. Of course, I told you that this house we are staying was built by your grandfather. I only renovated it out of my own little effort. Yeah. So you can't continue living like this. Becomes like as if it's a vicious circle. Yes, very soon you'll be thinking about renovating this one.
No, Papa, there is no problem about that. I want to build a state-of-art mansion here. I want to build a house that will look like a tourist center in this village, where different people from different villages will come and see my edifice.
Dixon. Demma. It's good. I'm your father. I cannot mislead you. Because this thing is becoming like as if it is as if we are under a curse or under a spell.
But the point now is that I want you to show me a portion where I can build.
Dixon, that one is not a problem. Just point anywhere, it becomes yours.
Papa, it's not about pointing. I can point, but I want you to show because I know you have a particular place in mind that you want me to build because I want to build a wonderful house.
If that's the case.
Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Dixon and Dixon Enterprises, Vixen no get money, but better thing they hungry. Vixen no get motor, but motor they hungry. Now waiting Vixen they do.
How is your mother and her health?
Mama, no improvement here too. But my sister has taken her to the city. I believe she'll be fine.
Ah, God bless her. That is a good one.
Yes, Mama. Mama, let me go and take the basket at your place before going where I want to go.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
God bless you.
All right, Mama. Now, wait on, sir.
I said it. Didn't I say? I said that this small boy. So this small boy is the reason for all this farm work. Everyday farm work. Ha!
Nai, by the way, where are you going?
Don't try to change the subject because I'm smarter than you. So this is it. This small boy was the reason that you escaped every day. You escaped to farm work.
Nai, Bosia. Spit it out. Don't even go there. How could you? How could you say such of us? Eh? One day you will say abomination with this your mouth. Look at Ebuka, a small boy who is even younger than our own son, Ndode. How could you think that of us?
Is he not a man? Is he castrated? Tell me. Eh? I told you one day monkey will go to market, but he will not return. Eh? Abomination. I am a pharaoh.
Nai, I cannot just stand here and listen to this nonsense you are saying. As you can see, I'm just coming back from the farm. I am tired. You can stay here.
Hey!
Let me give you food.
Abomination! Hey! Can you want to
lazy man.
How do a man? Eh? Afuko maru na wanya. Ebe can see Dr. Deya.
You can see this place is already fenced.
Yes.
So, the whole of this fence, it's a tableland.
Papa, this is not what I want. Papa, I want a large portion of land where I can build a tourist center, a swimming pool, amusement park, a good mansion, and Papa, you know what I mean. Papa, who owns this house?
It's Mazuko.
Mazuko, please talk to him for me. I want to break down this house and build a mansion.
Oh, that's not a problem.
Papa, who owns that one?
This one is Emenike. Emenike has no problem. I will talk to Emenike about this one.
Papa, what? Okay, hold on. I want to show you exactly what I want. I want a large portion of land. Papa, hold on.
It's okay. Emenike has no problem. I will talk to Emenike about this one.
Papa, this is what I want. From here now.
Yes.
Cook all of them now. Cook every house is there. Break it down. And Papa, I want to take all over this place. Yes.
Is that so?
Because of what I want to build.
There's no problem. There's no problem.
Papa, no, you've not understood what I'm trying to say.
I understood. You want a swimming pool?
Papa, hold on.
It's all right. It's all right.
Hold on.
My son.
Papa? What of that building? Who owns it?
It's Barrister McDonald that works in customary court.
That's the first here.
It's our own. Emenike's own.
Papa, I don't care where bulldozer. We could see everything here. Yeah? That house, get it down.
I will talk to
I am buying
Barrister Donald.
that land. In fact, let me
It's a photo?
Yes, let me even take the pictures of what I want to send to my engineer.
Is that
I am coming down here with a bulldozer, a caterpillar, all sorts of things to get exactly what I want. This is a small portion. This is a small portion. It's not enough for me for my dog house. Yes. It's too small. Papa, let me make the video. See exactly what I want.
We have not finished talking with them first. They will be talking about encroachment.
Papa, be talking with them for me.
It's in a picture. Because of villagers, they will say you are encroaching in another man's land.
It doesn't matter. I will pay them off. I will buy the villagers and buy the land.
Allow me to talk with. I have to discuss with them first before you do picture. It's in a picture.
Don't worry, Baba.
That's in a picture.
Oh, my son says he wants to build airport. This is wonderful.
Congratulations on your consecration. As a princess of this kingdom, I mean, it's a huge honor.
It is. One thing I pray for is wisdom. You know, to whom much is given, much is expected.
You're right, you know. We as your friends and family, you know, we'll always got your back.
Thank you.
We'll always be there for you.
Thank you very much.
So, what are your plans now that you're closer to your destiny?
Wow. That's a huge question.